Hey everybody, it's Marty from Aspect LED. Today we're going to look at the Universal Decorator Dimmer from Eaton, the DUL06P. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Alright, let's unbox this. This is a rocker style dimmer, the rocker and a slider on the side. It has connections on the top for a ground wire, on the bottom to go back to the line supply, and on the side for the load. This is a universal style dimmer, meaning that it can be connected to both an ELV or an MLV type power supply, just not both at the same time. We've already installed our dimmer following the rules in the National Electric Code. Always be safe when working with electricity. If you do not feel safe, please hire a qualified electrician. Now that we have the dimmer switch installed, we're going to set the low level trim level. To do this, turn this rocker switch to the lower or off position and the slider down. To enter the training mode for the low level trim level, turn the rocker switch on and slide the dimmer up and down 3 times within 5 seconds. This will set the dimmer into the learning mode, and it will brighten and dim the lights and find an acceptable low level trim level. Wait for 5 seconds and the light will return to normal operation. Now we're going to set the high level trim adjustment. To do this, start with the rocker switch in the off position and the slider at the top position. Turn the rocker switch on. Slide the dimmer up and down 3 times within 5 seconds. The dimmer switch will again enter a training mode and find an acceptable high level trim level. Wait for 5 seconds and it will return to normal mode. To enter either training mode, you have about 30 seconds. Now the dimmer should control whatever lights attached to it with flicker-free operation. Please like this video and subscribe for more helpful information.